numbers in term of P upon Q. Like root 3, root 2 and 1.010010001. Like that, these type of numbers we can't express this one in term of P upon Q. So these numbers are irrational numbers. Okay. If you have root 4, so you can write this one root 2 into 2, so it will be 2. So root 4 not an irrational number. Okay. Roots and non-terminating, non-repeating decimal form. Generally roots, cube roots, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal form. These are irrational number. Pi also irrational number. But where you can calculate this, suppose root 4. If you find out its square root, so you will get 2. So root 4 is not an irrational number. So generally definition of irrational number, those numbers which can't be expressed in term of P upon Q are called, we can't express in term of P upon Q. Okay. So we can show rational and irrational. Rational number and irrational number. Numbers on the number line. We can represent rational numbers and irrational number on the number line. So combinedly rational numbers and irrational number called real numbers. Okay, rational number and irrational numbers combinedly called real number. So what we draw? Number line 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, -1, -2, -3, -4. So this one called real number line. We can represent both rational number and irrational number on the number line. So today I am telling you how we will represent irrational number on the number line. Earlier I told you how we will draw rational number on the number line. Now I will tell you how we will draw irrational number on the number line. Generally roots, cube roots and are irrational number. So question will be like that. Locate root 2 on the number line. Okay, locate root 2 on the number line. So that's your question. We have to represent root 2 on the number line. I told you that rational and irrational combinedly called real number, and we represent real number by R. So we can say collection of rational number and irrational number combinedly called set of real number. So it will contain all the numbers 3/2, 3.14, root 2, root 3, minus 1 by 2. All these numbers come in a combined set that called set of real number. Set of real number, and we will represent this one by capital R. Set of real numbers. It will contain rational and irrational both the number. So now look how we will draw root 2 on the number line. Okay. So first we will draw a number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, and this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This side we will show positive numbers and this side we will show negative number. Now you have to represent root 2 on the number line. So what we will do? Okay. Look. Two methods you have. This is your number line. So we are drawing a number line here. Here 0. Okay. Now we have to draw root 2. So we will take here to here 1 centimeter. Fixed gap you have to take. You just have to take 1 centimeter. This one I am taking 1. So you have to take 1 centimeter. Okay. You will write here 1. Okay, this is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter you have to take. Now keep your needle here and here also up to this mark you have to draw 1 centimeter. You will draw 1 centimeter like that also. You have to take just 1 centimeter. So what we will do? How much this one? Same. We will draw a perpendicular line here. But how much line we have to draw? 1 centimeter like that. So 1 centimeter like that also. 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, or I am writing A here. OA is 1 centimeter, so AB also should be 1 centimeter. You can't take more than 1 centimeter. In your number line, that is here, this gap of 1, this one also 1, 1 like that. So we have to take 1 centimeter only. Okay, first step, take 1 centimeter horizontal line, then 1 centimeter vertical line. So this line and this line exactly perpendicular to each other. Both lines are perpendicular. OA perpendicular. AB perpendicular on OA. Okay. These two lines are perpendicular, so here angle of 90 degree. So you take an 1 centimeter like that and 1 centimeter like that. Now what you will do? You will join OB. You will join OB. OB को join कर देंगे ऐसे. Okay. Now hold your compass. Keep needle here and measure this point. Where is point B? Measure this one. Exactly you have to measure like that. Okay, like that you will measure. So now rotate like that. It will look like that, and name of this one I am writing A C. This point is C. Okay, look, what will be the measurement of this one? Okay, we have to find out measurement of OB. This one 1 centimeter, this one 1 centimeter. So, in triangle, you are looking OAB as a triangle. OAB is a right angle triangle. Okay, OAB is a right angle triangle, and angle OAB, this angle of 90 degree. So you know that if in any triangle one angle of 90 degree, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and you know that opposite of 90 called hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. OB is hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, if one angle 90 here, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this one, and you know opposite of 90, opposite side of 90 degree angle called hypotenuse. Okay, so this one your hypotenuse. This one your hypotenuse. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square OB square. Hypotenuse square equals to sum this one base and this one perpendicular. So base square plus perpendicular square. OA square plus AB square. Okay. So now we have to find out OB. This one 1 centimeter. So we will take 1 is OA. OA is 1 square plus this also 1 square. Okay, 1 square 1 and plus 1 square 1. So 1 plus 1 2. And OB square is it? We will write as it this one. This is value of OB square, but we need OB only. So OB equals to root 2. You are getting value of OB. So this is your OB. Value of this one root 2. Okay, root 2. Now this is your middle of your compass, and here if you complete this whole, so what you will get? You will get a circle. So for this one, it will be O will be center and OB will be radius. So if you take arc here, if you will draw an arc here, so look, how much OB? How much OB? Same will be OC also. Both are radii of same circle. If you complete this one, so you get a circle here. आपको circle मिलेगा. So how much OB? Same will be value of OC. So both are equal in measurement. We will not draw any circle here. We just draw an arc. Okay. So how much OB? OB is root 2. And we have to represent or locate root 2 on the number line. So this is your number line. So point C represent OC. This OC represent root 2. How much OB? OB and OC both are equal. Radii of semicircle, that's why this one represent root 2. Okay. Same way, we can draw root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, like that on the number 9. So, student, you will also practice same way in your copy and you will draw same figure in your copy. Okay, so today's work you have to draw root 2 in your copy. First you will draw figure and after that you will do this calculation. Okay, next day I will tell you about how we will draw root 3, root 5 and root 7. So, look one more time. One more time I am telling you same thing. Firstly, you have to draw a line. Okay, line you have to draw and take a point over there. After that, you have to take 1 centimeter. Suppose from here to here, this is 1 centimeter. You have to take 1 centimeter. How much this one? Same, you have to take perpendicular distance. You have to draw. This is 1 centimeter. So perpendicular line also you have to take off 1 centimeter. Only this one. Both OA and OB should be equal. 1 centimeter होना चाहिए दोनों. Now what you will do? You will join OB. This OA and OB. OA and AB. AB perpendicular to OA. So here 90 degree angle. This symbol for 90 degree. Okay. OA perpendicular on AB, or you can say AB perpendicular on OA. So here will be angle of 90 degree. Now what you will do? You will join OB. Now we need value of OB. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem. You know that opposite of right angle, opposite side of triangle, opposite side of 90 degree angle. यहाँ पे आप खड़े होंगे तो जस्ट सामने आपको क्या दिखेगा? OB दिखेगा. If you suppose this one any person standing here, so what will be? What he will look at? Opposite side he will look OB. So that's hypotenuse. Always remember that one. Opposite side of 90 degree. In a triangle, opposite side of 90 degree called hypotenuse. So OB is hypotenuse. So we need value of OB. Okay, we need value of OB. So then we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem, OB square, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So we will apply theorem here and we will calculate. So OB square coming 2 and OB equals to root 2. OB equals to root 2. This one root 2. But we have to show root 2 on the number line. Number line is this one. You have to show root 2 on the number line. So what we will do? We will hold compass. Needle you have to keep at O and measure up to B. Like that you will measure and then you will draw an arc. Okay. It will intersect the number line at C. This one named C. So you are looking how much your OB, same OC also. So OB and OC both are equal. So from here to here this one root 2. So we can say OC equals to root 2. And where is this one? This is your number line. Or we can say real number line. So like that we will draw irrational number on the number line. Same way you have to draw this one in your copy. Okay, that's sufficient for today. Any doubt you have, so you can message to me. I will clear your doubts. Have a nice day.